Hello internet friends. In this video, I think this is the last fuel tank video actually. So I am riveting the baffle flange to the skin. I think I got that right. And yeah. So this is the last thing, well, not the last thing to do, one of the last things to do, and then I put the fittings on, and then I test the seal by basically pressure testing it. So, and what I've learned is I can basically just blow up the balloon and stick it on and see if it stays inflated, or how long it stays inflated. That is a pretty adequate test. So that's what I'm doing. It's as of me recording this, it's been inflated for about an hour, which is probably probably fine. I will leave it overnight and see how successful it stays inflated. But I did spray it down with soapy water. Didn't see any bubbles, so I think I'm good to go. I guess I will have to think about what I'm doing next. I think I will do wings. So I will probably finish building a wing. I don't remember which wing I actually started, so I'll have to take a look. And then might be some systems to wire in there, like a pitot tube and electrical stuff, magnetic Garmin stuff. Can't think now. It's late and I'm recording this. But anyway, yes, I will get a wing together, and then I have another wing to get together. The wings go out together pretty quickly. I mean, you basically just have to countersink the spar and then rivet the ribs to the spar and then put the skins on. So it's not that difficult for someone experienced. Yeah. Also looking forward to, I think I have the landing lights, or the lights, landing lights, landing lights go in there. The fly LED system, which I haven't looked at in like 3 or 4 years, so it's been in a box. So yeah, I should get that out and remember how that works. Someone told me do not apply a 12 volt power to it. Can't remember who that was. But they burned out theirs, so I will read the manual before I apply power to the fly LED system. What else is there? I have the vertical power thing. Maybe I should get that out and figure out how that gives it power. What else is new? News. I put a deposit down on a hangar at Boulder City. The hangar situation in Vegas and lots of other places, this is not unique to Vegas, is kind of precarious. Most of the airports in Vegas are owned by the county, and they have various length leases. I know at North Vegas, they're getting close to the end of their ground leases, and it's not clear if they're going to be renewed. I think Henderson's about 20 years away, but Boulder City went through some drama, but they seem to figure out that the city makes money by leasing ground and not by owning buildings. So they had an RFP out for a developer to build new hangars. One developer responded, and they're going to build 140 new hangars. So I put a deposit down on one. Now I'm trying to figure out, I get a year to figure out how to pay for it. I have some thoughts on that. I will see if I can develop any of them into actionable business plans, but it would be cool to have multiple incomes. Incomes is not the right word. Lines of business, maybe that's it. But eventually you age out of IT. So you need something else to do when you decide to retire. And if I get a 40-year lease, I'll be 82 by the time that lease is up. So hopefully I'm doing something else besides IT sales by then. So I decided that that's kind of why I decided to go in on the hangar and figure out what I could do to make some investments in aviation. I think Mosaic is really exciting with the new rules. There's some new exciting opportunities. So I think I'll dip my toe in the water there. Anyway, that's a year away before they are planning on delivering the hangars in Q4 of 2026. But that will be exciting, so I'm looking forward to that. If you are also excited about hangars or putting things in hangars, come join our Slack group. If you scan the QR code here, you'll get the invite, and then you'll be part of an elite club that costs nothing to join. So I will see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.